Need smart storage solutions? Then you're in the right place. We've rounded up some clever Amazon products that can help you save space, reduce clutter, and stay organized. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, the 18-pack waterproof mesh zipper bags. A versatile organization solution designed to keep small items neatly sorted and easy to find. It can be used for storing documents, office supplies, travel essentials, and everyday accessories. Key benefits include better organization and protection from spills, dust, and moisture. Number 2, the C-Spring 12-pack shoe storage box. A smart storage solution designed to keep your shoes organized and protected. It provides individual compartments for each pair, making it easy to find the shoes you need while keeping closets and entryways tidy. Key benefits include protecting shoes from dust and maximizing storage space. Number 3, the SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart. A space-saving storage solution designed to fit into narrow gaps around your home. It can be used to organize bathroom supplies, kitchen essentials, or cleaning products while making use of unused space. Key benefits include extra storage and easy mobility with its rolling design. Number 4, the Kitstorack Laundry Basket Organizer. A practical laundry solution designed to keep clothes sorted and organized. It helps separate laundry, provides convenient storage, and keeps laundry areas looking neat. Key benefits include easier laundry organization and reduced clutter around your home. Number 5, the Lifewit Drawer Organizer Clothes. A simple drawer organizer for clothing. It helps separate socks, underwear, and other essentials. Key benefits include easier access and less clutter. Number 6, Joseph Folding Ironing Board. A compact ironing board that folds flat for easy storage. It provides a sturdy ironing surface while helping save space. Perfect for small apartments, laundry rooms, and quick ironing tasks. Number 7, the Vtopmart 4-pack Bathroom Organizer. A practical storage solution designed to keep bathroom essentials neatly organized. It can be used for toiletries, skincare products, and cleaning supplies. Key benefits include easier access to items and reduced countertop clutter. Number 8, the REINHARDT Shower Caddy. A convenient bathroom storage solution designed to keep shower essentials organized and within reach. It can be used to store shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and other toiletries. Key benefits include better organization and a clutter-free shower space. Number 9, the Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer. A smart storage solution designed to maximize space under sinks. It can be used to organize cleaning supplies, toiletries, and household essentials. Key benefits include easier access to items and better use of under-sink storage space. Number 10, the NaturalCozy Storage Baskets. A versatile storage solution designed to keep everyday items organized. It can be used for blankets, toys, clothes, or household essentials in any room. Key benefits include reducing clutter and adding convenient storage space. Number 11, the Moforoco Over-the-Door Pantry Organizer. A space-saving storage solution designed to make use of unused door space. It can be used to store snacks, spices, canned goods, and other pantry essentials. Key benefits include extra storage and better organization without taking up floor space. Number 12, the Vikaqi Wall-Mounted Clothes Drying Rack. A space-saving laundry solution designed for air-drying clothes. It mounts to the wall and folds away when not in use. Key benefits include extra drying space and compact storage. Number 13, the Vailando Shoe Organizer. A practical storage solution designed to keep shoes neatly organized and easy to access. It can hold multiple pairs of shoes while helping reduce clutter in closets, bedrooms, or entryways. Key benefits include better shoe organization and more efficient use of storage space. Number 14, saves money
pull-out
and is
cabinet
perfect
organizer.
for meal A smart kitchen and storage solution designed to make cabinets more accessible. It slides out smoothly, allowing you to easily reach pots, pantry items, cleaning supplies, and other essentials stored in deep cabinets. Key benefits include easier access to stored items and better organization of cabinet space. Number 15, the Bagnizer Small Plastic Storage Bins. A versatile organization solution designed to keep small items neat and easy to find. It can be used for pantry items, toiletries, office supplies, or household essentials. Key benefits include reducing clutter and creating a more organized storage space. Number 16, the FANXIYQ Acrylic Paper Tray Organizer. A practical desk organization solution designed to keep documents and paperwork neatly sorted. It can be used for letters, files, folders, and office supplies, helping maintain a cleaner workspace. Key benefits include improved organization and quick access to important documents. Number 17, the KitHero Bed Sheet Organizer. A smart storage solution designed to keep bed sheet sets neatly organized. It helps store fitted sheets, flat sheets, and pillowcases together in one place, making them easy to find when needed. Key benefits include less linen closet clutter and better organization of bedding. Number 18, the SUPERJARE Kitchen Baker's Rack. A versatile kitchen storage solution designed to add extra counter and storage space. It can be used for small appliances, cookware, spices, and pantry items, helping keep your kitchen organized and functional. Key benefits include additional storage and better use of kitchen space. Number 19, the AQIMUELE Rolling Side Table. A versatile furniture piece designed to keep everyday essentials within easy reach. It can be used beside a couch, bed, or chair for holding drinks, books, laptops, and other items. Key benefits include easy mobility and convenient storage in a compact design. Number 20, the Budding Joy Large Storage Bags. A practical storage solution designed for organizing bulky household items. It can be used to store blankets, comforters, seasonal clothing, and bedding while keeping them protected from dust. Key benefits include saving closet space and keeping stored items organized. Number 21, the CTSNSLH 5-pack Closet Organizer Storage Boxes. A smart closet organization solution designed to keep clothing and household items neatly stored. It can be used for sweaters, jeans, towels, and other essentials while maximizing shelf and closet space. Key benefits include better organization and easier access to stored items. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds.